name is Patrick DeVilliers. I work for a company, AP Pharma, located in the San Francisco Bay Area, Redwood City. We're a specialty pharmaceutical company. We're seeking to develop a proprietary polymer-based drug delivery platform, and my role within the company is Senior Director of Compliance. MasterControl is utilized extensively across our company. Originally, we utilized it to capture our clinical, non-clinical, and manufacturing associated records. Of course, that continues to be the case, but everything from basic research and development all the way through clinical trial material is captured in there. With our upgrade, we've been able to get our other project management, for example, human resources, facilities, what we call our logistics group, which manages our equipment program. They're all utilizing MasterControl as well. And, of course, information technology group utilizes MasterControl extensively, and we're now in discussion with our finance group how to get them into the loop with us. Originally, we had the server-based product, which included, of course, the basic document management system, which is its backbone. Last year, we undertook a gap analysis of our quality systems. AP Pharma, as we've progressed along the drug development process, the challenge has been to assure that our quality systems evolve in step with where the product is along the development and ultimately the approval process. That said, last year in the gap analysis, we identified that we needed to focus efforts from a compliance perspective in some major areas to include our auditing program, our investigations and utilization of root cause analysis tools, our change control, our corrective action, preventive action program, our training program. Those essentially go hand in glove to form the continual improvement feedback loop. That said, when we looked for tools to help us in those regards, the upgrade from the server to the web-based MasterControl has provided us with those various tools. So we've purchased the solutions package, which includes everything from forms to assist us with root cause analysis and CAPAs to handling customer complaints, etc. We purchased the training module to further help us define our training program, have another tool to monitor the effectiveness of our training. So we're very impressed with the individuals from MasterControl. For one, very personable individuals, very professional, very knowledgeable of their product, and very responsive. We've been able, over these years, anytime we pick up the telephone, have a question, we get immediate response within almost 24 hours for sure. And that's been, well, again, it's just been very favorable in our ability to use the software. It's difficult to put a price on the savings. We're a small organization, approximately 50 individuals. We have limited resources, and so it's essential that we're very efficient in the utilization of those resources. That said, I've firsthand knowledge and experience working with MasterControl, and it has become increasingly, if you will, a one-stop shopping for all of our data. It's a repository that's really assisted everyone from the chemist in the laboratory to senior management in being able to access information and collate it for a given objective. And compared to the past when you had to run around to try to find disorganized information, MasterControl has allowed us to really focus our efforts in bringing together regulatory submissions. I've written a couple of INDs, the quality sections, and I was basically able to do so sitting at my desk accessing the database through MasterControl. So that in and of itself has been, I'm sure, enormously cost efficient, if you will. MasterControl, as I had indicated earlier, has really been the essential tool that has allowed us to bring together regulatory submissions in support of developing several of our products. And by that efficiency, we've been able to meet very aggressive timelines. And I think that will continue to be the case. We depend upon MasterControl assisting us in these aggressive timelines enormously. As Director of Compliance here, I'm charged with assuring that the work that we do here meets not only the standards of being scientifically sound, but that it's organized adequately and sufficiently to support regulatory submissions. That said, how one plans, performs, records, and reports the applied science that is the drug development process has been enhanced enormously by MasterControl. 99% of our work, whether it's clinical, non-clinical, and chemistry manufacturing related, is protocol driven. All of our protocols are written using templates that exist within MasterControl, are uploaded for electronic routing, review, approvals. Our standard operating procedures, our standardized batch records, forms, scans of laboratory notebooks are all in there. In addition, in conjunction with another database, we collate all of our analytical data and these documents into experimental protocol. We call them reports and development reports, which in turn are referenced in our regulatory communications. And of course, all of our regulatory communications are in MasterControl. MasterControl has helped our senior management team by allowing a more readily an improvement in their ability to retrieve information. It's such almost an intuitive tool to utilize that at the highest levels of our company, they actually are using it. We have a Senior Vice President of Research and Development who spools reports for MasterControl so he can query us on the status of various activities. It's a very good tool. I'm in a very fortunate position to work for senior executives of this company who understand that quality is a planned attribute of something. And because of that understanding, they've always insisted that quality, regulatory affairs be out in front of the development activities. And it was a matter of reassuring them that this tool would further that belief. So it wasn't a very difficult sell for me. I was in a very fortunate position of having some enlightened senior executives. I would recommend MasterControl to almost anyone. It's worked very well for us. We find it to be user-friendly. And again, it's made a dramatic change in the efficiencies with which we bring information together. And when you combine that with the support of MasterControl staff and their dedication to seeing what they can do next with their product, I think they are an ideal partner, if you will, in one's work.